guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be creating a resin tray, and starting off, this is just leftover paint that I had from another painting that I did. In each cup there is a 1-to-1 ratio of Envirotex resin, and then I just poured acrylic paint into each individual cup until I got the color that I wanted. And what I did first was I'm just layering the colors into this wooden tray. I got this wooden tray from Michael's. I believe it was like $7. I think I got it on sale too. And yeah, I just layered the colors into this tray, and then I'm taking a hairdryer and I'm just blowing the colors all sorts of directions until I get the pattern that I want. And it helps too, like right now I'm picking it up and moving it. The only thing with this is that when you are tilting it and using the hairdryer and all that, you want to be careful that you don't push the resin too far up in the tray, then it's going to look a little wacky in my opinion. So yeah, just be careful of that. I am going back in and just layering some leftover paint that I had right now and just adding some more color to it. And I'm going to take the hairdryer again and just blow that until I get the result that I like. Now that the resin has dried, I waited a couple days before doing this part. I am taking brown and black paint and I'm kind of just mixing the two of them onto my plate. This is acrylic paint, and I'm just going to start painting the insides of the tray, and after this I'm going to go ahead and do the sides, the top of it along with the bottom of the tray. And it looks really black on camera, but in person it's like a very, very, very dark brown color. And I've used stain before, wood stain. That's what I would typically use, but I wanted to see what it looked like with the paint, and I actually like the result. You'll see that at the end. Acrylic paint dries really fast, so I was able to do this next part pretty much right after I was finished painting it. What you need for this is a screwdriver, a drill, 2 handlebars, a tape measure, and some type of marker to mark where you're going to want the holes at. So starting off, these handlebars that I got are from Lowe's. They were like $2 a piece, and they're 3 inches apart. So I went ahead and measured my width, which was 8 inches, and then I just placed this handlebar in the center of that. I did, however, not want the handlebar like centered from top to bottom, if that makes sense. Like, as you can see, I placed the holes more up towards the top, and you want to make sure that your holes are the same distance from the top, both of them, that way the handlebar is even, obviously. And yeah, so after this, I'm gonna go ahead and screw the handlebars into the tray. And yeah, after I do that, I really like how this turned out. I think it was a super easy DIY. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more videos like this. I said so many times throughout this video, so thanks for sticking with it if you're here till the end. And I'm going to do a close-up after this to show you what it looks like close up. Thanks for watching.